and back sails out of small timber branch wood that they had gathered, stacked up alongside their encampment, and they would use pedal-powered, very crude lathes to turn these things out, and then take them down to High Wycombe and sell them to the furniture makers. Right, the first timber tractor we have coming from the second Unipower we have on show today. Another one from the Ben Lambton stable, and this is the later and larger Unipower Hannibal. The Hannibal differed from the Forester. We haven't seen a Forester, that was the intermediate model. The Hannibal had the tractor. Four-wheel drive, only two-wheel steer, however. He'll come across four-wheel steer a little later on. Then Ben himself goes by with the first Matador we see today from ABC. The Matador was the medium haulage gun tractor of war, built to create the Matador, if you like. It's not a purebred one, this, and it is fitted with a later and more powerful ABC 690 engine, and the cab is from an ABC Mark V from the 1950s. We have the first of our Moulton timber tractors. Now, Moulton's a sandbach, well known for manufacturing steam wagons. They continued in the business of producing wagons for the timber trade. This was and carrying the land anchor, the spade hanging below the winch, which are attached to the back axle and enable the tractor to be anchored. Now, they're only two-wheel drive, unlike the Unipower, so they had a prevalence for not being as good on soft surfaces. Beam axle, front axle, solid bar front axle, haulage tractor. It's probably worth
water taken down the bottom of the tank, another very successful activity.